Imagine I'm a system administrator, a member of the support team. This evening, the management team of my company will have a meeting where the various managers will review financials and sales data. They will do it in their dashboards, various business object tools, and of course the data is coming from HANA. I was asked to do a system health check in the HANA system, and as you can see, I'm not in the office, I'm outside, and I will still do a system check on my phone. Let me show you how.
First, I click on the HANA application. After logging into the portal, I end up here on the welcome page, which gives me an overview of this HANA servers and everything is running. And that's why it's green. And if there are any high alerts, they are also listed here. Let's go to the so-called launcher. Here I see all the functions I have to go through in order to do the complete health check. Let's start with the CPU. The CPU is at 0%, so the system is not being used at the moment, so that's fine. Let's check the memory. There is plenty of physical memory available. Let's see the virtual memory. And the virtual memory is also fine, 72% is available. Now let's check the largest tables in the HANA system. Okay, these are the largest tables. Let me switch to the table view. Here I see the tables as a list. I want to check this repo load table that is by far the largest. In this table view I can see the details of the table, and I can see that comparing to a snapshot it hasn't grown, so it's fine. Now let's check the alerts. Here let me select that I would like to see the alerts from today, and I want only high priority and errors. I can see that these are the standard messages, so nothing to worry about. Let me see the connections to the system. Here I see the system user and the system statistics user, so nothing special. This is also okay. Finally, let me see the users who are in the system. In this overview of the users, I can see that the sys user has made 2 invalid attempts. That's interesting. I can see that there are deactivated users. And I can see that there is a user who has made almost half a million invalid attempts. So that's definitely not good, that's very suspicious. So I need to check what this user is for. DS4 client 800. I'm not going to check the documents. This gives me a list of documents which are useful for me. I will go directly to the contacts. So I was asked to make a complete health check of the HANA system and report back the results to the BI Competence Center. So now I'm going to call them and I will tell them that I didn't find any special in terms of CPU, memory and so on, but there is a user with 500,000 invalid attempts, and I will discuss with my BI colleagues whether this user is actually used or not and whether it's interesting for the upcoming MT meeting. So I will just make the call and talk to them.